YouTube Shorts. Let me reveal the good and the bad things about it for you as a creator, and should you make them, what to look out for? Let's see, let's go. Shorts are now officially available also in the US, but as you know, there was a hack on how you can actually use them, basically filming the video vertically and having it less than 1 minute and tagging it as shorts. I'm personally outside of US, however, I have been making a couple of shorts using this method I just mentioned, and I want to show 2 good things and 2 bad things in total about shorts, so you can make up your mind yourself. Number 1, major exposure. First of all, you can get a ton of exposure. And this is especially good news for smaller accounts. Besides one video that I have like 200,000 views and then I have a few sub 20k views or so, most of my videos are below or around 1,000. However, I'm now looking at the stats, half of my shorts videos go well beyond 1,000 and one being particularly well viewed over 10,000 views. So, shorts are good for exposure, great chance of being noticed. Number 2, low click-through rate. On a negative side, I don't know why, but at least for me personally, I have a ridiculously low click-through rate. I typically have anywhere from 8 to 14-15% on my normal videos, but for shorts, some of them get a click-through rate even below 1%. And still it gets the views. Honestly, as far as I understand, YouTube usually pushes those videos who have a good click-through rate, but below 1% and the video is still being viewed, that just tells you something, right? I honestly don't understand how, but the views still keep coming in. Number 3, lots of subscribers. Despite the low click-through rate, you can actually get quite decent amount of subscribers. I got anywhere from 0 to 60 followers per video, or on average it has been something like 16 subscribers per video. Typically on my 300 to 1000 view, normal video, it gives me 6 to 10 subscribers, so go figure, right? Number 4, lots of dislikes. Shorts are way more likely to get dislikes. I'm not sure what exactly is the cause, but I guess it's 2 things. Number 1, the video is vertical, so on desktop viewers it could be annoying that they open it up and it's the vertical video. However, 70% of my traffic personally comes from mobile devices, so I don't see if that could be a problem. The other reason might be that YouTube as a platform is basically kind of a more in-depth, longer videos kind of a platform. It's not Instagram or TikTok where you just have 10-second, 30-second videos. So people who are viewing the video may expect a longer video, more in-depth review, but instead they're receiving sub 1 minute video, and maybe that what makes them being disappointed. I usually get very close to 99%, maybe 100% likes on my videos. However, with the shorts, the more views they have, I've noticed the less the percentage is, and it can go as low as 95%. It's not terribly low, but it is definitely way below my average channel like rate. What is it called? Nevertheless, those are my findings about shorts, and if you haven't tried them, I suggest you do it, especially if you're a smaller account, because you can get a good exposure to a lot of potential subscribers. Good luck out there.